What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to take screenshots and draw on them in Windows 11. So this is going to be different from Windows 10. In Windows 10 you have the snipping tool and the snip and sketch tool. In Windows 11 they've combined them together and have made a brand new snipping tool. So if you're watching this and you're using Windows 10, I recommend you use the snip and sketch because that's the closest thing to the Windows 11 snipping tool, but this is what we're going to be using. So how do you get this snipping tool? You just got to hit the start menu here and then type in snip. It's definitely going to pop up because you have it by default. You don't have to install it or anything. It just comes with your computer. So this is what we're going to use to take screenshots. So there's a few options here. You can add a delay if you want. You can change the total snip style. So you can take a full screen snip. You can take a freeform snip. Let's just do rectangle for this example. And we're not going to set a delay. So I'm going to take a screenshot of these videos I have uploaded. You just drag the rectangle for the snip and then you will have it in the app now. So my recording software may not have picked it up, but it grays your screen out and it lets you click and drag like a rectangle for this. It's easier than using freeform. If you've never used this app before, I don't recommend you do the freeform snip. Either do a full screen snip or do like the rectangle snip like I have here. So, or the window, that's also fine. Anyways, how to draw. As you can see, I already drew there, but you can draw shapes, you can use a pen, you can use a highlighter. So for shapes, I can draw a square here, and then we can give it a red outline. That sounds great. So let's say I want to highlight this title to somebody. Okay, that's not, thick enough, this line. I think we can turn the thickness up like this. Yep, just like that. And now they can definitely see that that's what I'm highlighting. Or you can actually use a highlighter, but it's not great with dark mode. So like if I highlight my title, that'll look like that. And then you can also draw freeform with the pen. And you can also change the size of the pen in the same way, like that, and change the color. So you have different pens. And when you're ready to go, you can just copy the image like this, or you can save it on your computer if you want. Save it in the downloads. But yeah, you can copy it and then you can paste it in whatever Word document you want. So if I open Word really quick and then I paste, okay, sure, I can paste the image in the Word document just like that. So yeah, I don't know what Word was flashing to me there, but I guess I need to renew my Microsoft Office license. Anyways, that is how you take screenshots. Let me just show you really quick the delay function. So we can do a 3-second delay. So now if I click new screenshot, it gives me 3 seconds. So I can do like a right click now, and I can take a screenshot of that right click because, it went for a delay. I right clicked, that's what was showing on my screen. And then the snip happens. So then you can actually drag the rectangle of what it is. So basically, this 3-second delay is when it's going to freeze your screen for you to take the screenshot, like drag the rectangle on the screen. If you set this to full screen and you may have to do window, and you set a delay, it's not going to actually get you to drag your rectangle, like drag a rectangle on your screen. It's just going to take the whole thing in 3 seconds. So if I do this really quick, you'll see in 3 seconds, it's just taking a picture of the whole window. So instead of giving me an option to drag a rectangle and select what I want to show in the screenshot, it'll just take it of the entire screen. So that's, it's more of a rambling, but I'm going to cut the video here. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, drop a like, drop any questions you have in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.